Welcome, today in front of me ODYS Thanos 10, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application, and after that just tap here on the sound section. Here you'll see the media, alarm and notification volume. We can change them just by swipe to the left or to the right side. There's dots with our finger. Also here we have the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can set a schedule, the start time and the end time here to activate it for notifications from different applications. Also we can switch the sounds, the alarms, media and touch sounds here. Also we have here the shortcut to prevent ringing. We can press power and volume up button together. We can turn it on or turn it off. Also we can change the notification and alarm sounds, and in advanced settings we have also the options to use to activate or to turn off the screen lock and lock sounds, the charging sounds, the touch sounds. So we can turn on or turn off all of these options just by click on each of the switchers. And here we can also activate or turn off the volume booster for speaker. And that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our ODYS device. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.